Hello, everybody. I guess Sam Champion was right. It was gonna snow. It snowed. I don't know how much it snowed, but it's over a foot. Not that much. Another gun. And have Kevin operate the SnowBlower. You got it? Oh, you got it. Here, we gotta clear the snow from the door here, or else the door is gonna get jammed up. Choose your foot, bud. Poor fig tree. Wait. Put the light on in the shed. Push the snowblower back in. More. You gotta get in. You're not gonna be able to open that, and we don't need to open that. It's all the way to the right. Yeah, over there. Let there be light. Okay, open that thing up, see if there's any gas. No, we gotta fill it up. No. Just fucking fill the thing up. Get the funnel. You see over there's the funnel? Go ahead, reach over. Okay. Grab the gas can. And fill it up. How much snow could a snowblower blow if a snowblower could blow snow? Fill it up. Again? Yeah, fill it up until it pours out. You know, the EPA is not watching. Alright, good enough, whatever. Fucking you young whippersnappers, just sort of God. There you go, perfect. That's exactly where I was going to recommend you put it. Is that on right or cockeyed? Alright, cockeyed Joe, where you come from? There you go, cockeyed Joe. Okay. Choke. Can you see that thing says on? There's a switch. That's set to on. All right, let her give her a pull there. Nice and light. Go ahead, back it up. Go ahead. Oh my God, you're gonna fucking break the goddamn thing.
What?
Pull this thing out. Here, hold this thing.
You just told me.
Hold this.
You're on live.
Move yourself. Move your foot. I got it.
Hold on. Let me just start. You sure that's on the on position and not the off?
Yeah, it's on. Fucking asshole. this way. Go. Lift it up. There you go. Look at that baby go. I mean, that sucker's throwing snow a good 45, 50 feet, bro. Look at that shit go. He's not even in the picture. Yeah, go. Kevin doesn't really know how to use the snowblower, so this is I mean, that's probably like a good 30 feet up in the air. Pretty fucking impressive. All right, I gotta go put my my other glove on and get out there because he doesn't know what he's doing. All right, I'll come back to you.